Windows are more than just a functional part of your home. They play an essential role in enhancing your home's comfort, aesthetics, and energy efficiency. Over time, however, windows can wear down, and you may begin to notice signs that indicate it's time for a replacement. In a place like Houston, where extreme weather conditions such as heat, humidity, and occasional storms are common, keeping your windows in top condition is crucial. Here are the key signs that it's time to consider a window replacement for your Houston home. Visible damage or wear. One of the most obvious signs that your windows need replacing is visible damage. This could include cracked, chipped, or broken glass, as well as damaged window frames. Houston's humid climate can lead to wood frames warping, rotting, or swelling, which compromises the window's structural integrity. If you notice any of these issues, it's essential to act quickly to avoid further damage that could result in higher repair costs. Additionally, if your windows have become difficult to open or close, or if they don't lock properly, it could indicate issues with the window hardware. In some cases, this may be repairable, but often it's a sign that it's time for a replacement, especially if it's an ongoing issue. Drafts or temperature fluctuation. If your home feels drafty or you notice that certain rooms are colder or hotter than others, it could be a sign that your windows are no longer providing a proper seal. Poor insulation around your windows can lead to air leaks, which can increase your energy bills and make it difficult to maintain a comfortable temperature indoors. Houston's hot summers and occasional cold snaps mean your windows need to be able to keep hot air out and cool air in. Older or damaged windows with gaps or faulty seals lose their ability to perform this task effectively, causing your HVAC system to work harder and resulting in higher energy costs. Condensation between window panes. If you notice condensation or fog between the glass panes of your windows, this is a clear indication that the window's seal has failed. Double-paned windows are designed with an insulating layer of air or gas between the glass to enhance energy efficiency. When the seal breaks, moisture can get trapped between the panes, leading to fogging or condensation. This not only affects the appearance of your windows but also reduces their ability to insulate your home properly. In Houston's climate, this can lead to uncomfortable living conditions, and in the long term, it can promote mold growth, which can be harmful to your health. Increased energy bills. Houston homeowners are no strangers to high energy bills, especially during the hot summer months. If you've noticed an increase in your energy costs, your windows may be to blame. Older, single-pane windows or windows with poor seals allow outdoor air to infiltrate your home, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can make a significant difference in reducing energy consumption. Look for windows with Energy Star ratings, which can help insulate your home and improve overall energy efficiency. Noise pollution. Houston is a bustling city, and noise pollution from traffic, construction, or nearby businesses can be a concern for homeowners. If you're finding it increasingly difficult to enjoy peace and quiet in your home due to external noise, it may be time to consider replacing your windows. Newer windows, especially those with double glazing, can significantly reduce noise transmission from the outside. This is especially important if you live in a busy neighborhood or near a main road. Replacing your windows with noise-reducing models can provide a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Outdated aesthetic or curb appeal. If your windows are outdated or no longer match the style of your home, it may be time for a change. Replacing old, unattractive windows can instantly improve your home's curb appeal and enhance its overall aesthetic. Whether you're looking to modernize your home's exterior or increase its resale value, a window replacement can give your home a fresh, updated look. Houston homeowners who want to stay in line with current design trends may choose from a variety of window styles, including sleek, modern designs or classic, timeless options. Conclusion: replacing your windows is an investment that not only enhances the comfort and efficiency of your home but also adds to its aesthetic appeal. If you've noticed any of the signs mentioned above, it's important to consider window replacement sooner rather than later. In Houston, where the weather can be extreme, upgrading to high-quality, energy-efficient windows will help ensure your home stays comfortable year-round and that you're not spending more than necessary on energy bills. If you're unsure whether it's time for a window replacement or need expert guidance, reach out to a trusted local window installation company to schedule an assessment. They can help you determine the best course of action and provide you with a variety of options to fit your needs and budget.